Once again, the mirror's back. I don't know, I can never get the same setup when I film. I just can't do it, so whatever. Anyway, hi. I was gonna say welcome back, but I don't think I've ever said that, so I'm not gonna make that a thing. So today's video is going to be a full face of all the makeup I'm gonna get rid of. So as you may have seen, actually no, you wouldn't have because I haven't posted it yet. Okay, so this video should be going up on Monday. And on Wednesday, I'm going to be uploading another makeup collection declutter because I decided to just go through all my makeup again and just get rid of stuff that I still haven't used and that maybe last time I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to use this. I need to try this a bit more. I have a hair on my face. But I probably didn't do. So I decided to just go through all my stuff again, get rid of what I don't use. So if you want to see that video, then, you know, wait until Wednesday. And I've also, I think I've said this so many times now, but just in case anyone hasn't heard me say it, I'm basically trying to use up or get rid of any brands that test on animals because I don't want to use those brands anymore. I'm either just getting rid of them or I'm using them up first. So most of the stuff I'm going to be using at the moment is probably going to be from those kind of brands because I just want to get rid of them. But some of the stuff are either pricey or I still do kind of like, so I just want to use them up instead of just throwing them. But the point of this video is I've basically got all the stuff from my declutter in a huge bag and I'm just going to be going through it and just pulling out a full face to test the makeup that I am going to get rid of to see if it is actually any good. I mean, most of the stuff I have used, obviously. This is probably the longest intro on the planet and also the most confusing. So we're just going to get straight into it. So if you want to see me test all this makeup that I am going to get rid of, then subscribe if you want to. Give the video a thumbs up as well and I'll stop talking now. I mean, I won't because I need to speak for the video. Oh my god, let's just go. Okay, quickly before I start, even though the video has already started and I'm just not with it, clearly. When I say get rid of, I say this all the time whenever I do these kind of videos. I'm not like literally throwing them in the bin unless I already have thrown away the stuff that literally are gonna get thrown away because they are either out of date, they're just old, or I think they just need to go. But all the other stuff are either going to go to like a women's shelter. I don't want to say women's shelter because I feel like boys can use makeup as well. So like just a shelter where boys and girls, men, women, whoever can just use the stuff that I'm not going to use ever again. Or I'm just going to give them either to like friends, family, blah, blah, whatever. So when I say get rid of, that's what I mean. Okay, just to keep that clear. If I have like bits from my green juice in my teeth, I apologise. So moisturiser, I've already moisturised. I've got two, none that I'm getting rid of, but that I'm using up. I've got the Olay Luminous Whip. I don't actually like this. I thought it was going to be nice and dewy, but it's not. It just makes your skin feel very strange, to be honest. And then my favourite moisturiser ever is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, but obviously they aren't a cruelty-free brand, so once I've finished this guy up, I will not be repurchasing, I can't say that word, this cream ever again. Okay, so I've already done that. The foundation I'm going to be using that I am gonna give away is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I kept onto this because I do like mixing it in with like an oil or something else like that. So that's how I'm going to use it today, but the reason I'm getting rid of it is because I don't use it enough to keep onto it and it's just going to end up getting really old and out of date and it's going to be a waste. So I know I'm not getting rid of this obviously, but I have to use this with an oil or it's too matte for my skin and it will dry up a little bit and I don't like that. So I'm going to be just mixing it in with the Flower Beauty Celestial Skin Elixir. It's my fave, we all know I love this. Well, I'm not mixing it in, I'm going to put this on first. Okay, oh, also the shade for the Colourpop foundation, I'm in medium 100. I don't know why I need to tell anyone. I mean, you know what, just because I'm getting rid of it doesn't mean it's all bad makeup either. Like, it's a good foundation. But I just don't use it enough because I have to like do this. And most of the time I'm in a rush or I can't be bothered. Or both, which is probably more accurate. You know what, actually, should I do my eyes first? Should we switch it up? Should we be a bit crazy? We're gonna do eyes first, actually. I'm getting rid of 2 palettes. Oh no, 3, 2. You know which one to use. the Colourpop and Shayla Perception palette, which I kind of feel really sad because it is such a nice palette. I love Colourpop's formula, but I just don't reach for this enough, so someone else can get a good use out of this because I ain't gonna use it. And then the other one is this guy, which is the Morphe Data Create palette, which I'm probably not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the Shayla one because you know what? This is just too big for me to handle. Like when I'm doing my makeup, I don't want this. Like, I can't have this in front of me. It's too big. No. Just, that's going. So we're going to use this in today's video. I do need to prime my eyelids, I've just realised. So I'm just going to whack a bit of concealer. A concealer that I'm using up to get rid of is the L'Oreal More Than concealer. I don't know, the Infallible concealer. So I'm just going to do something super simple. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to use the shade Culture, which is this really, really nice warm brown. We should have zoomed you in, shouldn't I? But we're there now. We're already there. Let's just continue. And then I'm going to take the shade Played Out, which is the really dark brown. And I'm going to mix this in with Revenge, which is the dark red. Mix those two. I'm just going to like smudge these on the lower lash line. So that's that pretty much done. I don't have like an eyeliner to like tight line that I'm getting rid of, so I'm just going to use my normal LA Girl one that I always use. Also, oh, I said I was throwing this out in the video, but then I decided to just keep it and just use it up. So this is the Maybelline Master Precise in the brown shade. I think it's called Forest Brown. And I'm just going to pop this on the top lash line. There's probably no point because I just put eyeshadow in the exact same place. Okay, yeah, literally doesn't look any different. Mascara, again, I don't think I got rid of a mascara when I filmed the video, so I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Gal mascara. I've almost run out of this anyway, and I will not be repurchasing this, but this is such a good mascara. Oh my god, that's just most basic eye you've ever seen. On to foundation. I'm going to use the Colourpop one like I said. Okay, let's try. I didn't even wet this, but I can't even handle my issues. I also have never liked the pump on this. It just doesn't pump properly. It's really bad. Okay, so concealer, I'm obviously going to use the same concealer I just used on my lids. It's the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. Again, I do really like this, but I don't want to keep repeating myself, so I'm not even going to say why. I'm never going to buy that again. Forgot how full coverage this concealer was. It's also a tiny bit light. So the powder that I'm passing on is the RCMA No Colour powder. I'm also using up, I haven't got much left, but I've got the Vichy Derma Blend loose powder as well. Do really like that, but we know. This I just haven't used in so long. I don't actually mind the packaging. I know a lot of people hate it, but at least you don't have to like tip it out and then tip it back in. Like, it saves you doing that. I just haven't used it because I have other loose powders that I prefer. Okay, loose powder is great. I like it, but it, like I said, it just does give me like a little white cast, and I don't really like that, so. Bronzer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Back to Bronze. Actually kind of like that. Ooh, if you like L'Oreal, or if you like buy L'Oreal makeup, try this bronzer out. It's pretty good. Okay, blush. I'm going to use the Benefit Rose Gold. No, Gold Rush blush. This smells of like babies. It smells like a child. I don't know if I like that. That blush is kind of nice. It's got like a little bit of a glow to it. Cute. And then I'm going to highlight with the Maybelline Master Chrome, which is one of the best drugstore highlights to exist. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on. You can really build this up and it'll be blinding, but I've still got a bit of texture on my skin over here, so I don't want to add too much. And also, I'm going to be at work. I don't need to highlight everywhere, you know. Then setting spray. I'm not getting rid of this because I do really like it and it's expensive as flat. This is the Glamglow Glow Setter. Okay, I've got two MAC ones. I haven't actually used MAC today. Don't want any, that's purple. Oh, I haven't used this in a while. This is Whirl by MAC. I'm just going to pop this on because hard not. I used to love this. Okay, so that is it for today's video. This is all the makeup. You know what? I do actually like most of this makeup that I'm getting rid of. That's kind of sad. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And just leave me a comment down below saying anything. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.